Hello everyone, I make spring rolls using sandwich bread. If you'd like to know how I make them, please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. Please subscribe to my channel for supporting me. Thank you. The recipe post up for you for your information. Pork, mushrooms, onion or mix, and I have taro roots and a a rice stick ready. Now every ingredients you need to chop roughly. You don't need to chop finely, but you need to chop them so that they cannot be baked in the spring roll when you bite into it. And then you will take out a whole strand of a rice stick, for example. The taro roots used here for meaty texture, kind of vegetarian meat. Now, after I mix taro root, mushroom, rice stick, pork, onion. Now I mix wagyu beef into it. It happened that I have wagyu beef, ground wagyu beef ready, so I mix it in and to make the flavorful stuffing. Into this mixture, I add salt, pepper, fish sauce, oyster sauce for a flavor profile. And to it, I still add Bangkok breadcrumb and cornstarch. For the reason you don't want the rolls burst because of the water and moisture content in it. When you add cornstarch and breadcrumb, it will help reduce the moisture. Besides those stuffing that we worked on, I have cream cheese, sweet cheese, and mozzarella. I will cut it into sticks and add into the rolls. I don't put the measurement here, but you can do as much as you like. If you like it cheesy and stringy, you can add more cheese. But notice that I cut the size, the width of the cheese will be the width of the spring rolls. You will see later. So I just chop them into sticks and they're ready to go. Now for the wrappers. Normally you buy the spring roll wrappers at the store, but if you don't have anything at home and you got to make spring rolls like I do, because I want to make my neighbors these spring rolls, and I cannot go to the Asian market at this time. So I use sandwich bread. I remove the tough outer edge, and I use a rolling pin to roll the bread slice very thin, like so, and that's it. You have the wrapper. Now I add about tablespoon of stuffing, and I add cheese at this time, cream cheese, sweet cheese, and mozzarella cheese. I use the shredded mozzarella budgets ready, and then you just roll. And remember to put the seam down on the bowl so that they don't unravel. And that's it, they are ready for the fryer. If you don't want to fry now, you can put them in the freezer and you take them out anytime you want some rolls. So I just tested my oil, it's hot enough on my chopsticks. So I drop my rolls in and I immediately reduce the heat. You want the inside cooked because they are bread, they're very fast in golden brown. So use the little heat. When you're certain they are cooking, and that's it, you can take them out, and voila. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.